We out here in the wilderness. I'm gonna show you guys how to rappel with 3mm paracord. Let's do it. We've got 100 feet of paracord here wrapped around a tree just for tutorial purposes. I got 50 feet on my right hand, 50 feet on my left hand. And what you want to do is put it underneath your arms, around the stomach, back to the front, and then under the legs. Perfect. No carabiner, no harness, rappelling with the paracord. If I want to stop, I can stop. Got some pretty good stopping strength here. And that's basically it. I was just gonna do this part just to show that
it actually works?
Yeah, that you can rappel.
No, it really works. I tried it.
Are you serious, my brother?
Is it? Do you see the rappelling?
Oh, yeah, you do.
Sideways?
Yeah, you can definitely see.
Yep.
Bro, if that wasn't there, you'd be like Michael Jackson.
Whoa. Definitely almost fell right there. Alright.
Yep, that's better.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna do the same thing. We're on the side of a pretty steep hill here. I'm gonna do the same thing. Cross behind the back, in front of the stomach, and underneath the legs. Alright, we're coming down. You ready? Here we come. Yeah.
What the dog doing?
Pretty good grip here. You see how, is it look like an angle right there? I feel like I'm almost sideways. I'm gonna come over this way. See it?
What do you mean by that?
100 feet of paracord gives you about 50 feet of runway down a hill or a cliff. Whew. All right, that's about it. All right, yep, that's pretty much it. That's how you rappel with using 3mm paracord. Now, the cool thing about this is you can use this with multiple people, and the first person can go down, rappel, leave it up there. Second person can go down, and the last person can come down, and all you gotta do is yank one side of the paracord, and you retrieve your cordage once again.
Yeah. Did we really put our life at risk?
Yeah, this is for educational and informational purposes only, and this really shouldn't be done unless your life is already in risk from something crazy like a wildfire, and because this is dangerous and totally not safe. So this is just for emergencies.
Okay.
Thanks for watching.
Definitely done by professionals.